Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. How are you? So in this video, we're going to be making some bralettes. All you're going to need is some lace fabric, some elastic, some glue, or you can either sew it up together if you want. It's your scissors, and that's basically it. That's all you're going to need to make this bralette. And I don't have any pattern for the bralette, so I'm going to use my bra instead to make the pattern. You guys can see as I make it. You don't have to be using lace fabric. You can use any fabric that you have or any material that you have at home. Your elastic, your scissors, and that's all that you're going to need. Trust me. Let's just get started. Bye. So I have my bra and I have the red lace fabric that we're going to use. All I'm going to do is just place the lace fabric over the bra and then just cut the lace in half, and that's going to be the pattern. The pattern for what I'm going to use as an outline for the bralette. This way is so much easier since I don't have a pattern. If you don't want to do this, then all you got to do is just go online and just go online and look at images and download a pattern that you can use for the bralettes. And that's basically it. Just cutting out four patterns so I can use it. So now I'm cutting up the second piece of fabric that I'm going to need. Then after doing this, all I'm going to do is just turn one side of the pattern like inside out. Just flip it over, if that makes any sense. I don't think it does. But just make sure that the patterns are on two different sides. And then just add your, I'm measuring my elastic around my under boobage area so I can know where it hits, where I need to stop. And since the elastic is stretchy, you don't have to use a lot, so you can just cut it like two sizes down. I think that will work best. And that's basically it. Now I'm just going to start gluing on everything together and see how it turns out. This red one looks so gorgeous. Okay, now so we're going to start on a second bralette, which is going to be in black. All we're going to do is just trace out the same pattern, the red pattern, onto the black one, and then just cut it out. And that's basically it. This way was so much easier since I already had the pattern and everything. But that's basically what I'm doing. The black one doesn't have enough coverage or enough pattern on it, as one might say, so it's going to be very see-through. But if you want to add something else underneath it, just add a black fabric. Just cut out this exact same triangle and then just sew it on together, or just glue it if you want. Alrighty, so now I'm just fixing up everything. I just cut out more patterns because obviously you need 4. But I cut out one of them too big, so I'm just fixing up the edges and everything, making sure that they're all even or whatever. Because if not, they're just going to look wrong. So that's how they're looking. Making sure they match up and everything. Then I'm going to cut out... No, I don't think I'm going to cut out anything. Oh yeah, I got the elastic that I'm going to put on. I don't think I'm going to glue it on yet. But we're going to be gluing on the edges so it can stick together. This was the first one that I made, so I think it would be best to just place them on top of each other instead of doing it side to side. But obviously I didn't know that when I was making it, so just place them on each other and then just glue it all the way down in the middle. That would be perfect instead of just doing it the way that I just did it. So next thing, since I obviously messed up with the glue and everything. So I'm just going to cut out a black pattern, place it right down the middle that I glue everything together. And that's going to be like a little share or whatever, so that you don't see all the way through. And also to cover up my mistakes, which is going to be perfect. Next thing, all we're going to do is just add the elastic at the bottom. And then we're going to add the same elastic on the little straps so that it can be the straps. So it'll be easier to just get in and out of it instead of adding on whatever. Yeah. I really don't know what to say. I think if you just look at the video, then it'll be easy. But if not, hopefully the audio helps. The fabric is super thin, so if I was going to do the black one over again, I would double up the fabric. So just add 2 on each side. I think that would be better. So yeah. Now I'm just gluing the back together, so it'll be easy for me to get it in and out of. When I was making it, I thought the black one wasn't going to be too big, but it fits. I think it fits okay. If I was going to do it again, I would just obviously double up the fabric and add a black fabric underneath everything so that it will be more cover up, since it's obviously not enough roses or flowers, whatever you want to call it, that's on it. But it just depends on your style and how you want to wear it. So I'm just adding on the straps, which that's basically it. So I just finished gluing on the straps together and everything, and this is the finishing product. So yeah. So next thing we're gonna do is the red one. All I'm gonna do, this is the perfect way to do it. It looks so much better, trust me. Just glue them onto each other instead of side to side. It looks amazing. It has that little line in the middle of it, which is gorgeous. That's all I wanted. I didn't want it to be simple like the first one. The first one, obviously, I have never made it before, so it still turned out okay. But this is how it's supposed to be done. Look at it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And it is so soft and stretchy. The fabric is amazing. And I think I only spent like $7 on it, to be honest, which is gorgeous. So I'm just gonna glue the black elastic at the end of it. And where else? Obviously I'm gonna need some straps, but right now I'm just gluing on everything together. Not everything, but just the elastic. And then after that, oh yes, my favorite part, I'm gonna add this little lace at the, you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna add a little lace down there for a little sexy appeal, even though it's already gorgeous, but it's a little extra oomph to it. So I'm just gonna do that. Just cut a little rectangle. I don't even know my shapes. So I'm just gonna cut it up. I'm gonna match it exactly where the bralette stops. I don't want to add on more lace. Not more lace. I don't want to expand it or anything. I just want it to match up exactly with the top part. So I'm just going to glue it on together, and that's basically it. It looks so good already. Just glue it on together. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This, look at it. Just look at it. Doesn't it just looks amazing? Yes, yes, yes. And the straps feel so good. I thought that they were going to be a little bit tight, but it feels amazing.